Your Mazda 2 key fob from 2011 to 2015 uses a CR1620 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. To replace it, carefully pry open the fob's two-piece case. A flathead screwdriver or plastic tool works, but be gentle to avoid scratches or cracking the plastic, a common issue especially in humid climates where the plastic may warp. Note the battery's polarity, positive side up, before removing the old one. Insert the new battery, ensuring proper contact. Snap the case back together firmly. If the remote functions, trunk release, or panic button don't work after replacement, the issue is likely improper reassembly or corroded contacts. Clean the contacts with electrical contact cleaner. Remember, patience is key to prevent damaging the fob, and test the fob by locking and unlocking your car afterwards. If your remote isn't working after a battery change, first check that the battery is correctly installed and making good contact. Corroded contacts are a common problem. Clean them carefully with isopropyl alcohol. Bent internal springs can also cause issues. If the case is difficult to open, use a hairdryer to gently soften any adhesive before prying. Avoid excessive force, which can crack the plastic seams, open case issue. If DIY fails, consider professional reprogramming. Also consider using OEM batteries, as off-brand batteries can cause 20% higher failure rates. Always recycle old batteries to be environmentally conscious.